Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And about last week sometime, somebody sent me a link to a web page that had online old Radio Shack catalogs. And I'm going to show it to you in a minute. So this afternoon, I was like, is Radio Shack, do they still exist? You know, I thought they went out of business a couple of years ago. Well, I did a search, and here's one of the things I found. Now, whether this is correct or not, I don't know. But this is showing a map of all the Radio Shack stores. I thought they were all closed. Now, let me click on Find Stores Near Me. And it shows 3 stores within the Tampa Bay area. And this one here is, oh, that's where I'm at. This is where I'm at. And there's the 2 stores. Now, I don't go over to Tampa or over that way, so I can't validate whether those stores exist or not. But it's implying it does. And notice up here, there's a little statement about the COVID-19 virus. So it seems like it's up to date. Now, here's another page I found, which is, and I picked an item. This is the online Radio Shack store. And here's a radio, fairly newer radio, that they've got for sale. Now, if I go back, there's what you get when you go to the store. And here's a listing of things they've got. These look like newer things. Matter of fact, here is a forehead thermometer, which is a big item now because of the virus. So I guess I'm wrong. They're still in business. That's good to hear. But and according to that map, let me go back. There's 2 near me. Well, not near me. This is about, a 40-minute drive here from my house. And this is even further. This is probably 45 or 50 minutes. So there's none close by. I used to have, buku stores here in Pinellas County, but they're all gone. So that gives some credibility to this map. I didn't think these were open. I thought they were kaput, wiped off the earth. So anyway, let's get to what I wanted to show you. This, and I'm going to put a link to this website. Now, keep in mind, as it says up here, this is not a secure website. So keep that in mind. Maybe you don't want to go there. But this is PDF files of Radio Shack catalogs. I didn't realize there was a Radio Shack catalog in 1939. Let's just go see what's in there. 1939. So we'll click on File. And there it is, Radio Shack, the Radio Shack Corporation, 1939. And look what's in here. Old helicopter equipment. Here's a letter from the Corporation of Radio Shack. It's more helicopter stuff. I had no idea that they were selling stuff back in 1939, much less selling this. These are high-end receivers and transmitters. Let's just, here's tubes. Okay. I'm not going to go through this whole thing. Let's go back to the top and just look at one of these radios that maybe I recognize. Didn't recognize those are before my generation. Nope. No. Yeah, the Skyrider. I recognize that. I recognize the Sky Buddy. $29? Holy cow. These things go for like $500 now. Oh my gosh. I had no idea. Of course, this 1939, that was like, I think, the end of the Depression. And that's when they opened. Radio Shack opened in 1939? Yeah, I recognize these Sky Raiders. $69. Wow. They have really gone up in value. Of course, the price of everything has skyrocketed. But like I said, you'd pay, if you found one of these on eBay that was in pristine condition, you'd probably pay $600. So I thought I'd show you this. Again, let me go back to the main page, and I'll put a link down and make it the first comment to this. Keep in mind, as it says right here, this is a non-secure website. Keep that in mind. And you can either download the PDF or a zip file with the PDF in it. Check it out. It blows me away. Somebody please correct me if I'm wrong. Are they really still in business? Is Radio Shack really not gone? And do they really have stores? This says they have 2 stores. Oh, look at this. It's called Hobby Town now. Ah, so Hobby Town or whatever, bottom out. That's what it is. So now they are under Hobby Town. I'll be dipped. I did not know this. God. Well, let me know what you think. Let me go back to the catalog for a second and just glance at this. I recognize that radio. That's been around for a while. There's a little portable radio similar to other ones that I've seen from Japan. Same here. I think I actually reviewed this radio, not under the Radio Shack name. This is interesting. I'm going to have to check out this page a little more fully. Let's go to here, just for the grins. Let's go here. And it's got scanners. The Whistler scanner. Yep, the Whistler brought out Radio Shack. And now Radio Shack or Hobby, whatever it is now selling the Whistler scanners. CB radios. There's Uniden. Accessories, antennas. I'm going to have to check this out. Let me know if you've dealt with Radio Shack lately. Do you have a Radio Shack store that you've actually walked into? Of course, like I say, now it's called, what was it? It's called Hobby Town. 2 near me. Well, not real close, but 2 near me. I'll be darned. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.